Hi, this is Sam Swingle with Watercrest Pools, and today we're at this beautiful home in Westlake, Texas to teach you how to do a bucket test. A bucket test will help you determine if water loss in your pool is from normal evaporation or from a pool leak. The first thing you want to do when performing a bucket test is to make sure to turn off your pool system. Next, take a bucket, fill it up, and once full, place it on the top step of the pool. Then you'll take a piece of tape and you'll mark the level of the water inside of the bucket and then mark the pool level on the outside of the bucket. After 24 hours, we'll come back and we'll compare the evaporation rate inside the bucket versus inside the pool. It's now been 24 hours and it's time to determine the results of our test. First thing I notice is when I come to the bucket, I've noticed some minimal water loss inside the bucket. Now it's time to compare the water loss inside the bucket with the water loss in the pool on the outside of the bucket. And I'm gonna do this by using a tape measure. After taking the measurement of the water inside the bucket and outside the bucket, I determined the water loss was exactly the same. Therefore, I do not have a leak. However, if the water loss on the outside of the bucket, which indicates the pool level, exceeded what was inside the bucket, a leak is present and you need to take the next steps. I can't stress enough how important it is for you to understand water loss in your pool. By performing this simple bucket test, you can determine if water loss is due to normal evaporation or if it's due to a leak. If you think you have a leak, please reach out to your local pool service company or Watercrest Pools, and we will help guide you to the next steps.